Well, I'm an enthusiast orator from my childhood, but here I'm going to talk about the speech I gave in my class 9th. During our school morning assembly, I delivered a speech in front of all the students, teachers, and the principal. It was part of a weekly program where the students were encouraged to speak on a motivational topic. The speech was about determination, the quality that helps us stay focused on our goals despite challenges. I begin by explaining what determination means in simple words and why is it essential in achieving success. I chose this topic because I noticed that many students often give up when they face difficulties, whether in academics, sports, or personal goals. I wanted to inspire them to keep going and believe in themselves. To make it relatable, I shared the inspiring life story of Milkha Singh, the Flying Sikh of India, who overcame immense personal struggles and trained relentlessly to become one of the country's greatest athletes. I highlighted how his determination turned his hardships into stepping stones to success. Initially, uh, to be honest, I wasn't that nervous because it wasn't my first time to address such a large audience. As I already mentioned, that yeah, I have been an enthusiast orator, so yeah, I was clearly confident. And as I continued, especially when I saw people listening attentively, it boosts my confidence to another level. After the speech, my teachers appreciated my efforts, and some juniors even told me that they felt motivated. This made me feel proud and encouraged, and it encouraged me to take more opportunities to speak in public. Overall, the experience taught me that words, when spoken with sincerity, can have a powerful impact on others.